In 2015, I moved here from Washington State. My husband, he's active duty Navy, and he got orders here. I always wanted to learn how to weld. I found Tidewater Tech, and I started, and I loved it. Fell in love. Now, here I am. When I started at Tidewater Tech, I was not the only female welder. I believe there were 2 or 3 others. They really are here to help. It wasn't just a job to them. They helped me get all the information I needed for financial aid and to use my GI Bill. And they asked me when I want to start, and I said, as soon as possible. They said, next week. I said, cool. My first instructor, Miss Justice, I would say she was my favorite instructor there. She's nice, and she took the time to explain things. You were confused, she would explain it in a different way. And that's what I really liked about her. She was cool and she was laid back. I graduated from Tidewater Tech, and I was out riding my motorcycle one day, and I stopped by AIM. They were having a job fair. I didn't know anything about it. And I ran into a representative from Plasser American. I sent her my resume, and here I am. I am currently the only female welder at this location in the history of the company. When I first started, one of my coworkers, Marshall Knox, he's been here 20 plus years. He actually took me under his wing. He helped me out a lot. I mean, I came in, I knew the basics, but he taught me how Plasser American does things here. In the area I work in, we get a machine. After we accept the machine from the frame shop, my job is to weld the base plates onto the machine for just various components that we need to attach. Hoses and the solenoids and any brake manifolds that we might need to get it ready to go to the next department. Me specifically would be for the pneumatic hoses. Every day is a new project. It just depends on how big the project is. Some of them might take 2 or 3 days, maybe even a week to finish. Some are one-day projects. From my first day working at Plasser American, I have felt welcomed. They helped me out, and I really enjoy working here.